YouTube. Le jeu est plus que énigmatique, mystérieux. Je suis très curieux de savoir le fin mot de cette histoire. En résumé, c'est vrai que j'ai jamais fait de résumé en début de VOD. Des gens meurent. Au début, ils étaient 11. Techniquement, même 12 avec Rupert. Au final, ils ne sont plus que actuellement 6. Voire 5. Et là, ça va être une hécatombe. Là, je vous le dis, là, ici, ça va être une hécatombe. Mais on a des lieux qu'on n'a pas visités ici. Oswald, on sait pas trop où il était. C'est autrefois la bibliothèque. Je visitais la pièce qui était autrefois la bibliothèque, même si elle semble maintenant avoir été transformée à la hâte en une sorte de chambre. Alors le problème, c'est que ça m'intéresse plus. Ça m'intéresse un peu plus. Ça, c'est une zone très importante. Apparemment, il y a une autre zone. John est allé voir, Annie et tout. Nous, on a fait tout le monde ici. Hein. Qu'est-ce qu'il voulait dire? Vous, je l'ai trouvé, il est ici, pas besoin de vous inquiéter, tout est sous contrôle. Où est Oswald? Ici, vous m'entendez? Où est-ce que tu l'as pris? Je suis désolé pour ce qui s'est passé, mais tout va redevenir à la normale à partir de maintenant. Tu ne sais pas quoi tu as à faire. Prends-moi mon arme. La gardons là jusque Annie. Il a qu'à jouer du piano dans le séjour. Et on n'a pas encore entendu le piano. Et moi, tout sauf Oswald du coup. Je me souviens, j'ai rencontré Martha, c'est à son mariage, j'étais là à son mariage, je demandais lui qui elle a épousé. Ça se trouve, c'est un indice. Parce qu'en fait, il y a un truc qui m'intrigue depuis le début. C'est le fait qu'on ait le 0. Alors, je sais pas où. Chapelle? Oswald était là, Martha était là, et Rupert était là. Ma grande théorie. Non mais pas lui. On s'en bat les couilles. Tony les bons tuyaux. Ça aurait été une dinguerie. Ça aurait été une dinguerie. Mais du coup, je sais pas c'est quoi l'indice ici. L'indice ici, c'est que... Lui, il reste. Donc là, on est en 18, c'est ça. Là, on voit qui on n'a pas encore vu en temps 18. Et il n'y a que lui. Et à mon avis, il se parle à lui-même, je sais pas. Ça se trouve, il lâche la dinguerie là. Entend des bruits de fouilles parmi divers objets. Et il y a quelqu'un qui... Ah oui, c'est lui qui fouille. Je peux pas dire que j'apprécie le propriétaire de cette maison. Au moins, leur garde-à-manger est bien approvisionné. Oh, il se régale. Il y a une cloche. En 18 qu'elle meurt, Victoria? Ouais. Commentaire à faire? Non, aucun commentaire ne sera fait. Il n'y a pas d'indice à ça. Martha et Edmund, on ne sait pas trop où ils sont. Hein. Martha, elle a dit qu'elle partait quelque part. Ça se trouve, elle est encore dans sa chambre, Martha. Et Edmund, on sait pas où il est parti. Peut-être avec Edmund. Son fifiste. Son fiston. Oh ouais. Figurez-vous.
Mom, can we talk?
Il a quand même fait sa
Not right now,
proposition.
darling. I'm a little busy.
Elle vient peut-être de
went
se
and talked
souvenir de
to
Rupert.
Vic. You know that ring I got a while ago? Well, I thought I asked Vic...
My goodness.
Mum,
Ouais, elle vient de se
this is
rappeler.
important.
Eddie, this isn't the time. I'm trying to focus on
I
something.
proposed, Mum. I asked her to marry me and she said no. She said there was someone else. I've lost the only person that matters to me in the whole world.
I've known the two of you for a long time, darling. I'm sure you'll figure things out. I could just do with some time to look at these.
I need your help, Mum. Can you listen to me for a moment?
Not right now, Eddie. Why can't you be a bit more independent sometimes? First, you come running in here to tell me about that dead girl yesterday, and now with your love life. Can't you see I have as much to deal with as you do? I'm trying to sort things out here, and it would be a lot of help if you tried to sort out your own problems, rather than running to me whenever something goes wrong.
I'm sorry. I'll leave you alone.
Eddie, darling, I didn't mean to snap. I'm just busy with this. What is the matter with you?
I don't know. It's fine. I'll see you later.
Ouais, espèce de fiston. Martha aussi s'en va. Mais alors Martha, elle a lâché un oh my god. Et à mon avis, en regardant ces photos de mariage, elle s'est souvenue de Rupert. On sait où elle était. Mais ça m'intrigue. En fait, ce qui m'intrigue, c'est qu'il y a encore des indices alors que j'ai l'impression d'avoir tout vu. Oui, elle était dans un état pitoyable. Dans quelle scène on l'a pas vu? Dans le 1, mais on fout. Pareil là. Et là, il y a encore un indice. Alors, je lis, hein. On parlait de cette fille qui est morte hier. Ça, c'est l'alcoolique. J'essaie de mettre de l'ordre. Je suis désolé, je te laisse tranquille. Et dit... Putain, Oswald, il a donné une piste en parlant de ce mariage. Et là, Eddie, je suis curieux de savoir où il est parti. Dans sa chambre. Pas le 18, c'est le 19 là. Pareil pour Martha. Martha, elle est peut-être retournée dans la cuisine. Bon, ça je le mise. Parce que là, elle a réalisé que Rupert, elle le connaît. Non, j'y ai cru. Elle est partie. Peut-être elle est partie dans la chambre d'Eddie pour... non. Ça aurait été bizarre qu'ils soient dans la même chambre. À chaque fois, ils seraient pas partis tous les deux. Là, les deux sont partis. J'ai pas assez d'indices. Faut que je reparte là-dessus. Je vais vérifier qu'elle va bien. Anne, elle va dans la chambre de... Enfin, elle est morte de 3 balles. Hein. Je sais pas comment elle a fait son compte. Mais elle est partie dans la chambre de Martha. Avec Martha? Dans le séjour? la salle à manger, ils vont souvent... Ah non, mais dans la salle à manger, il y a juste Michel. D'ailleurs, bon, on va le faire parce que j'ai pas d'info. Mais non, mais c'est pas le 19, c'est le 20. Idiot bête. Attendez, je recommence. Pourquoi serait parti de sa chambre pour revenir dans sa chambre? Je pense que là, elle va chercher Martha, mais sauf que Martha, elle est partie. Ouais, dans le séjour, alors. Ouais. Et cette histoire de piano, à un moment, il faut l'utiliser. Et elle, à mon avis, elle se souvient d'un truc. Donc du coup, elle avait besoin peut-être d'en parler. Craque dans une cheminée. Quelqu'un jette quelque chose dans le feu. Oh merde.
Martha? Are you all right?
Close the door behind you, dear. We don't want to let anything in.
I just wanted to make sure you're all right.
I'm fine, darling. I'm taking care of things.
Sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you.
Oh, Annie. Come here, darling.
Oh putain.
You're so much older
se
than I
souvient de tout, ça y est.
remember.
Are you sure you're all right?
Darling, what a couple of days it's been. I've been running around so much, I feel like I've hardly had a chance to talk to you. How's your mum?
She's fine. Well, we don't talk much.
It's such a shame we don't meet as
Elle va
often
parler
as
de
we
sa sœur.
used to. Maybe after today, once all this is behind us, I'll have the two of you over for dinner. It gets so lonely in here all by myself.
Of course. Thanks, Martha. I'm glad you're all right.
What are we doing? We can't let these ghosts tell us what to do. I'm going to put the piano on, and we're going to enjoy ourselves.
Ah putain, elle a enfin compris
Darling, what are you looking at?
comment ça
Come and
marchait.
dance with me.
It's happened again. Do you know who Eddie is?
He'll be here in a minute, I'm sure. Oh, he loves this song. I'm sure he'd sing the lyrics for you if you
Elle
asked
se rappelle
him
pas
to.
d'Eddie. Parce que Eddie est mort à la scène d'avant.
I thought the two of you would get along.
I could have sworn I'd memorized this. I can't think
Annie,
properly.
put that down. Stop whatever you're writing. We're going to enjoy ourselves. And by tomorrow, all of this will seem like just a bad dream.
I don't really know how to dance, Martha.
Wow, la scène de
Of
zinzin.
course you do. Come on, darling, give me a smile at least.
Elle tombe.
Another one.
Ah. Ah ah. Ah ah. Elle s'est souvenue de tout à la fin. Enfin, sur le 19, elle était dans le séjour encore. C'était ça? Non. C'est dans le 19, on sait pas où elle était, ouais. À la cuisine peut-être? Ah bah non, mais il y aurait Oswald. Oh ouais. Elle est venue lui parler pour lui dire qu'elle se souvient de tout.
Oswald, are you in there?
I'm still here. I don't suppose you're here to let me out, are you?
No. I'm sorry about all this, though. I need your help with something.
What makes you think I'd help you?
I know we have our differences. I'm sorry that it's come to this. I just don't know what else to do. If you know what's going on, then I need you to do something. Please.
What's the matter?
I was looking through our old photographs, and there's someone there. In all of them. A man I don't recognize.
Rupert.
I swear, I've looked in all of these before and he was never there. He's just appeared. I don't understand.
Well, that's unexpected.
I don't know what to do. I was with Eddie in my room just a moment ago, but I can't tell him about this. How could I? I can't explain that there's a ghost in all of our memories.
Well, why do you think I can help you?
I'm sorry I doubted you. You're the only one that knows this house. I can't do this on my own. It's all out of control. I don't understand how something like this is possible.
If they can alter physical objects, then it means they're getting stronger. I'd be afraid if I were you.
Please help me. I don't know what to do. I don't want this. I never asked for these people to come into my life. I just want to go back to how it was before. Just me and Eddie. I'll leave this house forever, if that's what it takes.
Listen to me, Martha. Take the photographs, go upstairs and burn them. Should you find anything else connected to the ghosts, burn that too. It's the only way to stop this from slipping out of control.
Ah, ça sera pas le cas. Ça va pas
I can do
arriver.
that. Thank you.
Eddie est mort.
Make haste. I don't know how much time we have.
Eddie, je sais pas où il meurt. Est-ce que lui il capte? À mon avis, lui à ce moment-là, il est dans sa chambre en train de chill un max. Hein. Non, pas du tout. Est-ce qu'il est pas avec Tony les embrouilles? Et Tony il comprend tout? Non, c'est pas vrai. Putain, mais ferme ta gueule, toi. Au secours. Pas bien, super. Lui, il est pas à la chapelle par hasard en train d'essayer de régler le problème. Ah, lui, c'est le prochain. Hein. Celui-là, je peux le dire, hein, je peux le faire. Ça va pas changer grand chose. Dans la salle à manger, il y a John. Il y a John. Ce sera notre dernier à mourir. Et il est tout seul. Et ça sonne. Par qui?
Hello?
Hello, this is Catherine. Is
Catherine.
Martha there?
I think she's busy. I can take a message.
I'm sorry, who am I speaking to?
John Hobbs, I'm so sorry, but something's happened.
Are you alright?
There's a body in here with me. Just slumped over at the head of the table, surrounded by drinks. I think there's a bullet hole in the ceiling.
Good grief. Is my daughter there with you?
Sorry, who's your daughter?
Annie Beaumont. I think she's staying there. Is she alright?
She's fine, yes. I was just with her.
Oh, thank goodness. How many of you are there?
Comment elle sait?
It's just the 5 of us. I'm not sure why we're all here. And these bodies keep appearing. I don't know why.
Don't you worry. I live nearby, so I'll send some of my neighbours to come and make sure everything's alright. I can't make it there myself, unfortunately. I just need
C'est elle,
everyone
ok.
safe for a while. Is that something you can do?
Oh, excellent. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll go and find the others.
I can't imagine what poor Martha is thinking.
Ooh.
I'm sure it will all be fine.
Ooh.
Just keep my daughter safe, and I'll call you again in a little while. What was your name?
John.
Keep her safe, John.
Ok. Donc c'est intéressant. Ah oui. Catherine Beaumont. C'est elle. Photo à proximité montre deux jeunes filles. Annie Beaumont et du coup Victoria Maseko. En fait Victoria Beaumont. Et Eleanor. doit être elle. Et il manquerait juste quelqu'un. Pardon. Sombre histoire d'héritage, il disait. Hein. Ce serait elle. Et qui est-elle? J'ai envie de dire. Qui es-tu? Et j'ai l'impression qu'il y a encore un lieu qui manque, mais en fait peut-être pas, hein, finalement. Bon là oui. Catherine Beaumont. Et donc du coup, bah oui, Eddie il est mort là. Seul? C'est la question qu'on se pose. Où est Tony? C'est la question que tout le monde se pose. Il est avec lui. Alors ça, je mets ma main à couper. Et ouais. En fait, l'indice, c'est qu'il avait pas quitté la salle, lui. Ah non, si, il était revenu.
Come in, come in. Come and sit down. Take a seat.
You look happy.
I'm in the mood for a celebration. Come on, have a drink with me. What's your poison,
I don't want to drink. I came here to talk.
There's nothing I want more than to converse with a gentleman such as yourself. But you can't talk until you have a drink.
I'll have... whatever that is.
Ha ha! Good man!
I found this bracelet. Does it mean anything to you?
C'est une dinguerie, là.
Do you know what? I have exactly the same one upstairs. What does that make us? Friends for life? Eternal companions? Drink up.
I know it means something to you. And I'll give it to you if you hand over the key to the pantry.
Let's not talk business over drinks, shall we? And to be quite frank, I don't know why I'd want it.
Oh, bloody hell, Anne. This is hopeless. We'll think of something
Not
else.
so fast. I still have the power here, remember? Sit back down and enjoy your drink.
That's mine.
It's good, isn't it? Have you seen the hole in the ceiling? Leave it. We're having plenty of fun already. What do you say?
You've got the wrong man locked up. You're making a mistake.
Oh, don't be sour. You're a guest in my house, remember? And not one I invited.
I didn't want to come here.
You're a sly rat, aren't you? Threatening me with her old bracelet. You nasty little coward.
So it does mean something.
It doesn't mean anything. I'm sure she'll never think of me again. I should have just kept her as a friend, but I couldn't even do that.
Give me the key to the pantry, Eddie. I can fix this.
I can't take back what I
For
said.
God's sake! How the hell? That's my gun.
Ok, Tony, on sait où il est parti après.
I'll bet that's not the only thing you're hiding.
Lui, il est reparti dans la cuisine. Et lui, il est mort. C'est une terrible histoire, là. Ça va s'accélérer de zinzin, là. Cuisine, tout de suite. Et il se souvient de lui, du coup. J'ai l'impression.
Oswald! I found the key! What are you doing? Get off me! I'm
Tiffé.
trying to rescue you!
Drop the gun!
Fine! Look! I won't touch it! I said I'd come and get you out. Remember?
One can't be too careful.
Who locked you up in there in the first place?
I didn't see. I came down here after breakfast. The next thing I knew, the door was locked behind me.
It must be the house. I think it's getting worse. I was drinking, and all of a sudden a dead body appeared in front of me.
You were drinking? The house is filled with ghosts, and you thought it was a good idea to have a drink?
I was nervous, all right? Just tell me you know how to stop this.
I can't promise anything.
Le piano.
I'll go and meet the others. Come and find us when you're done with the chapel.
Don't trust them. Martha was in here just before you came in. It was clear the ghosts have already got a hold of her. I'd keep your distance if I were you.
What do you mean? Is she all right?
Go and see for yourself.
Voir qui? La scène 21. Dans le séjour. Il y a lui, il y a lui, et il y a lui. Et il y a personne d'autre.
There's another one.
Oh, bloody hell. I swear it's speeding up.
I only just noticed it.
For God's sake, Anne, can you turn that thing off?
I don't know how.
I found another one in the dining room.
What do they look like?
Just turn the damn thing off!
I can't. I don't know how.
What? Just kick it! Do something!
So, how many dead bodies are we up to now?
I feel like it can't go on forever. There can only be so many people that used to live here.
There were 4 yesterday.
4? I only saw the one in the billiard room.
I saw 2 others. I don't remember a 4th.
Fine then. 3 yesterday.
And the one we found this morning.
There were 2 there. I checked again.
I found one in the dining room too. And there's that one, of course.
So, 7 total? Tony, don't go near it, just in case it spreads.
No chance. We've been around them for hours now, and it's been fine. What do you expect them to do? Suddenly wake up?
Oh, dis pas des mauvaises nouvelles, toi.
I have an idea. Can we go over what's happened so far?
What do you mean?
Just tell me what's happened since you arrived.
Putain, mais attends, mais...
Well, my car got stuck in the mud and I had to walk the rest of the way to the house.
We saw you at the front door. You were there for a while, weren't you?
Wait, were you 2 in the attic?
Both of us were. So, who let you in?
I suppose the door must have been unlocked. I didn't meet Oswald until much later.
Great. What happened next?
I came downstairs and met Hobbs.
I'd rather you called me John.
I didn't trust him. I'm not sure why. He's in the same position as the rest of us.
Then you came back upstairs, though?
Not straight away, I didn't. There was the whole business with the pocket watch.
What was that about?
It doesn't matter. We all met up for dinner, right? Don't you think that's strange?
Why?
Because who made the dinner?
There are probably servants somewhere downstairs, aren't there?
I think there was one, but he died, sadly. I found his body afterwards.
Right. So he wasn't a ghost?
Ghosts can cook. I'd believe it.
You can't be serious. Tony, please try and think this through properly without jumping to conclusions.
I know as much as you do, so don't start talking down to me, Anne. Clearly, this is something supernatural. You can forget whatever rules you thought you
I'm
knew.
sorry, but I don't believe it's ghosts. All we've got to go on are some dead bodies. It's probably just someone trying to trick us.
Well, that's not the way you were talking about it a moment ago. I've seen them appear in front of my eyes. And there's not been a trace of any other living person here.
I feel like there's something we're forgetting.
What's gotten into you two? We've been figured this out ages ago, didn't we?
What about the piano? Who was playing it?
Are you blind? Do you really not know how it works?
Well, someone still has to turn it on. And I didn't.
So there must be someone else here.
It's ghosts, Hobbs! Anne, can we just ignore him?
It might not be ghosts. I don't think it is.
So,
Fucking
7
Bobby.
complete strangers walked into the house, cooked us dinner, turned the piano on, and then died. You really expect me to believe that?
I feel like we're not keeping track of things. I have a list of all our names, but I keep finding ones I don't recognize.
There are more names? How many?
7. There's always been 7. The 3 of us, Oswald, and then 3 others.
Well, does it have my name on there?
Yes?
Then it's wrong, anyway. My real name's not Tony. People just call
Bah,
me
c'est nouveau,
that
ça.
after my father.
You're joking. What's your real name?
Well, I don't want to say, do I? Or maybe I'll end up on your death list with the other ghosts.
They can't be ghosts. I wrote stuff about them. Like Martha. I'm guessing that must be her. It says she's the owner of the house and she had strong perfume. I feel like I must have known something.
How did you know what to write?
I didn't. I wrote it, but I can't remember writing it.
Are you trying to imply you were possessed? Isn't it far more likely that you simply got a bit flustered and forgot? Or perhaps someone else wrote it on there?
I'm just trying to think. I feel like I must have known someone called Martha at one point.
Shut up. Both of you! Shut up!
Tony? Don't point that at
Shut
us!
up!
Where did you find it? I thought you said you lost it.
I found it. On one of the bodies.
Move away from the body,
C'est lui qui a
Tony,
l'arme finalement.
and put the gun down.
You two are going mad. You really don't remember?
I don't know what you mean. You're scaring me, Tony.
Who is this? Who am I standing over?
Martha?
Yes! Exactly! There should be 5 of us, right?
Who's the 5th?
Martha! Martha Galley! You even wrote it. She came and spoke to me yesterday after John disappeared to look at the piano.
You mean?
I mean a real, living person. Why do you look so confused?
Sans
Please
peine.
just put the gun down.
Don't do this to me! This isn't funny!
Tony! Oh my god!
That wasn't there when we came in, was it?
It's the house! It's playing with our minds. I need to get out of here.
Wait, Annie!
Et ouais.
Damn it! There must be something in this room I'm missing.
Oh waouh. Oh, il y a beaucoup de choses là. Hier, il a disparu lui. Alors, c'est pas la priorité. Si vous voulez, la priorité, elle est là. On va enfin voir cette putain de chapelle de merde. Alors là, je m'attends à tout. Simplement. Le prochain, c'est lui. Ouais, donc ça, c'est Michel qui meurt là, Tony. Tony les embrouille. On saura jamais son vrai prénom. Ah oui, donc on sait pas plus en fait. Dans l'entrée. Non. Faut qu'elle sorte d'ici, elle a dit. j'ai pas plus d'infos. Mais alors, ce que je sais, c'est que lui, il va à la chapelle. Et il va crever là, aussi. Et ça va être bien notre veine, cette affaire. Ah non, mais non, je l'ai déjà vu, ça. Mais non. My bad. On va aller à l'entrée alors. Et elle se fait tuer par balle. C'est ça qui me rend zinzin. Attends, c'est quoi? Attends, on va faire les choses bien au lieu de piffer comme un connard. Avec le conseil, il faut que je sorte d'ici. Lui, il reste dans cette salle. Restons dans cette salle avec lui. C'est de ma gueule. Oui, parce que depuis tout à l'heure, en fait, c'est le 22, c'est pas le 21, bordel de cul. De cadavres.
I recognize this gun from earlier. Should have taken it then.
Ah.
No sign of injury. How did you get in here? One of us should have seen you come in. John, you're missing something.
Si, il va comprendre.
Someone must have moved the body in here without me noticing. I must just be forgetting things. Then there must be someone behind this. And I'm certain it's not Oswald. But where are they hiding? We would have found them if they were in the house.
Oh, il meurt là.
The chapel. Dear God, Annie.
Oh, je sais pas. Comment ça se fait qu'il sait que Annie va vers la chapelle? Semblerait-il qu'elle y est. Elle se rappelle qu'il fallait y aller. Elle était dans la discussion tout à l'heure.
Oswald?
Hello, my dear.
How did you get out of the pantry?
The door was unlocked. The house, it seems, has changed its mind.
Have you worked out what's causing all of this?
I've always known, I think. I've always known there was someone missing from my life.
I think people are dying, and I can't remember. I feel like I'm losing my mind. What should we do, Oswald?
When Ellie died, we didn't have a funeral. We didn't acknowledge her death to anyone else.
C'est Eddie la
We
dernière
weren't allowed to
personne.
grieve. And now, my grief has been stolen from me
C'est
once
Eddie
again.
la...
Oswald, please! I
La
don't know
vieille
how
dame.
to stop it! I can't! None of these names mean anything to me!
What names?
Tony! Who the hell is Tony? He has a gun, and he's paranoid. Was that the one in the living
The
room?
gun? Good heavens, that thing was terrifying. You haven't brought it here, have you?
Where did you see it? Well, who was holding it? Tony? Oh, I can't think.
Oh, that funny boy. Yes, I caught him with it in his bedroom. I wouldn't trust him. It's better if he doesn't know we're here.
You knew him.
Oh, my poor girl. You don't remember?
I don't know. Who was
Think,
he?
child. Why did you come here? Is there someone in your life you can't remember? A friend? A sibling? A parent?
Sœur.
We have all been brought here for a reason.
I'm not sure.
This is important. Were there empty beds in your house? An extra pair of shoes in the hallway?
I can't remember, Oswald. I can't... What's going to happen to me?
My dear, I do not know. But I fear it is our fate to join the others.
If we cannot remember what it was that brought us here, then it may already be too late.
Et lui...
They're out here too. Oswald used to live here. Family drawing. Oh, the drawing. Oh, he showed it to me. He... Oh, it can't be.
Ici, il y a ces deux-là. Je ne comprends rien. Mais là, elle commence à comprendre, et le dessin, en fait, ça lui fait rappeler un truc. Alors, il y a une Ellie dans l'histoire. Ah, Eleanor, simplement. Mais elle... Qui est-elle? Mais en fait, c'est sûr qu'il y a des trucs à faire avec les personnages manquants aussi. C'est Eleanor. Ellie. Ils sont pas à la chapelle, il y a que elle. Non mais c'est pas le 22, c'est ça, c'est le 23. Il est là, lui. Quand même. Alors là, je pense qu'on va avoir pas mal d'infos, mais alors surtout, elle meurt de 3 balles, elle. C'est ça qui me perturbe.
Annie? Are you alright? I can't believe they're in here too.
Stay back. Don't come any closer.
What? What's going on?
I had it all wrong. We weren't supposed to remember. I should have realized it sooner. If I had just got rid of the list, I could have saved Oswald.
Who are you talking about? Is someone else here?
No, you have to leave right now.
If someone is doing this, I can stop them.
John, listen to me. You need to get out of here. I think the same's going to happen to me.
Don't be ridiculous, Annie. I'm not leaving you. Your mum made me promise.
She knows we're here.
I told her I'd keep you safe, and that's what I'm gonna do. Help will be here shortly.
It's too late. It's too late. If she remembers too, then...
Come back to the house with me. Please, Annie.
Wait. Maybe I can stop it. There's still time.
Exactly. We can figure this out together.
Give me the gun.
No.
I'm not gonna do that.
Give it to me. We don't have much time.
Why do you want it? I'm not going to, Annie.
Give it to me, John.
Just tell me why you want it.
I can stop this. I can stop it from spreading.
Annie, please, let's just...
I'm sorry, John.
What are you doing?
It's the only way. I don't want to be forgotten.
Annie, put the gun down. I can help you.
You can't help me. You couldn't help any of us. I need my mum to remember who I am. Just tell her. Tell her I'm sorry.
Annie, wait! Oh, she wasn't there a second ago. They must be following me.
Wow. Wow. Et elle s'est suicidée du coup. C'est ça. Morte par balle. Bien sûr, elle a dit comme une grosse chute. Ça, je l'ai pas encore, ça. Extreme moment. Alors là, cette scène-là va être intéressante. Il reste plus que lui. On va faire ça et puis après, alors je sais pas ce qui se passe. Qu'on va comprendre un truc. Comment ça? C'est en fait en gros, si on se souvient, personne meurt, mais je comprends pas ça. Ça va être trop con. C'est ça le plot twist.
John, is that you?
Yes,
Is everything all right?
I think so.
Oh, good. A few of my neighbours are making their way over to you, but they won't be there for at least another half an hour, what with all this dreadful weather we've had. Will you be all right until then?
Yes,
Is something wrong?
I think there's someone else in the house.
There's someone else with you?
I haven't seen them, but I suppose someone must be hiding somewhere, and they've led me here to frame me. I don't know. Perhaps they'll kill me
Je sais
next.
pas qu'est-ce qui va se passer pour
I
lui,
don't know.
comment il va mourir.
That sounds rather serious.
There must be someone else. There was fresh food on the table, and the piano was playing earlier. Do you know who lives here?
No one lives in Galley House as far as I'm aware. It's been empty since old Elizabeth Galley passed away. Well, she only had one child, a girl called Eleanor,
Ok.
and she died a long time
Oh
ago.
putain.
So whoever it is, I'm sure they're just trying to wind you up, John.
I went to try and look for people in the chapel. I took a gun, and then all of a sudden,
Are you still there?
do you know someone called Annie?
Annie?
I found a note in the chapel by one of the bodies. Did she used to live here?
Who's Annie?
She's there with you, is she? She's all right?
Did you know her?
Now, John, you said you'd keep her safe.
Oh mais
Where is she?
faut arrêter là. Faut arrêter la pub.
I don't know.
Bonne
Then
def.
go and find her, John. I asked you very specifically to make sure my daughter was safe. Is
Ah
something
bah
wrong?
non. Alors du coup j'ai pas lu, attendez. Sécurité. Donc elle se souvient d'elle.
No. I'm sure your daughter's fine. She's probably just in the next room. And I'd forgotten about her. I think my memory is fading. But there's no need to worry.
Good grief. Are you sure she's all right?
I'll go and check for you. What did you say her name was?
Annie Beaumont. John, what's going on?
I need to go. I'm so sorry. What have I done?
Il pense qu'il l'a tué. C'est ça? Peut-être 5 à la chapelle. Alors là. Si on n'apprend rien. Je comprends pas. Elle y est pas. En tout cas, lui, il y est pas. Avec Annie, peut-être. Parce que Annie, on l'oublie pas. Il est dans la salle à manger encore. Non, il est dans le perron. Non, il est dans le séjour. Mais là, je comprends pas. Que là, je dois y aller. Je vais aller vérifier pour vous comment avez-vous dit qu'elle s'appelait. Pas qu'elle dit qu'il va au grenier. Comme un sac. C'est une dinguerie. Alors celle-là, je m'y attendais pas, tiens. On va tout comprendre là.
You've done it now, John. well.
Pour ça, la grande chute. Tonnerre gronde au loin.
I don't remember her. I don't remember any of them. I don't even remember pulling the trigger.
Bah non, parce que tu l'as pas fait.
God forgive me.
Why does this keep happening?
Je m'éloigne parce qu'on ne sait jamais s'il y a la lame. Oh,
This isn't working.
ah bah super. Je me casse. Comment ça? Je veux bien revoir cette scène du coup. J'ai eu vraiment peur d'un screamer là. Donc oui, là il y avait... Puis putain d'accord. Moi je pensais qu'il sortait de là, mais non, c'est juste... Explosé. Oh, mais on n'a pas un indice là? Si. Y a-t-il autre chose? Juste la liste de noms? Ah, il y a une page 3. La mort par balle n'a pas empêché la propagation. P4, P3, P2. Ça P4. Juste position d'approche. Et le dernier à se souvenir. Un nom. Et là on rentre dans le jeu d'énigmes là. Ça y est, on y est. Donc là j'ai tout. Et là j'ai un indice. Là aussi, apparemment j'ai pas fait... Est-ce que j'ai après 27... Oh ouais j'ai 27 et... Alors en fait je me suis trompé. Elisabeth c'est elle. Elisabeth Garley. Et elle c'est Ellie. Que 27 c'est pas genre elle qui apparaît de nulle part. Non, on a entendu chapelle. Parce que là du coup j'ai des indices. La fête jeune, et bien ça y est. Je me souviens pas d'elle, je me souviens d'aucun d'eux. Le tonnerre gronde au loin. Le tonnerre gronde au loin. Est-ce que... La 25, elle est pas encore en vie par hasard. Ça me paraît étonnant quand même. C'était bizarre. Que Dieu me pardonne. Là, j'ai des indices aussi qui me disent rien. La Tony tombe. Attendez, je suis un peu chaud. Je vais pas vous mentir. Un petit indice. D'après Oswald Bryan, où était-il pendant le 9 SA13? Là, il serait allé au grenier. 07. Oh, j'ai utilisé un indice, c'est grave. Hein. Il est forcément quelque part. J'avais déjà tout testé, mais j'avais testé dans le 8 peut-être. Regarde. Je tente tout. Pas dans la chambre d'Oswald. C'est dans la chambre d'Oswald, j'ai envie de péter un câble. Chambre d'Eddie. Maintenant, la chambre d'Eddie, il y aurait elle. À ce moment-là. Putain, en plus, cette VOD, je peux pas la terminer tant que j'ai pas fini en fait. Et où pourrait-il être? Chambre de Tony? Dans la chambre de Tony, il y avait déjà des gens. S'il va déjà à la chapelle en mode devant. Pas rentrer. Ah, dans le bureau, peut-être. Ah, je l'avais pas tenté le bureau, bah oui. J'aurais dû m'en douter, dans une vieille bibliothèque, mais c'est pas vraiment une bibliothèque. Il a été mis en chambre d'enfant, mais pas vraiment. À ce moment-là, il y a un mort.
Good heavens.
Mais là, c'était juste pour ça. Ici. Déjà, faire ça, clarifier tout ça. Je prends un peu de pain grillé. Je n'ai rien mangé hier soir, je vous assure, nanani. Je suis désolé, je ne sais pas de quoi vous pensez. C'est beaucoup d'épreuves, c'est horrible, je ne comprends pas comment il a pu se retrouver là. Donc là, il parle du cadavre de son mari. C'est sûr que la personne ne veut aucun mal. Il va y avoir quelqu'un d'autre dans la pièce. Mais je pense pas. Hein. Non, puisque de toute façon, dans tous les cas, on avait vu. Quelqu'un joue avec nous, donc c'est un classique. Entre les autres, arranger les choses dans la cuisine. Je vais aller à Wintercote, donc elle voulait partir justement rejoindre sa mère. J'ai pas vu ta maman depuis un bon moment, c'est vraiment terrible, surtout qu'elle habite à quelques... Veux-tu que je te conduise là-bas? En ce moment, je vais marcher. Tu es sûre, ma chérie? Je vous avais déjà ça à faire comme ça, vous avez dit que la police allait arriver. Nous pourrons peut-être régler cela nous-mêmes, si elle avait appelé les flics, elle. Je crois que vous allez régler cela. Tu avais enlevé le bracelet. Ah, mais c'est ça, elle l'a enlevé, c'est le bracelet qu'elle a enlevé. Je pense que tu es mon parfois, j'ai ma vie maintenant. Ah. Il est passé au courant pour parler de cette fille qui est morte hier. Ah, donc... Là? Non. là, en 10. Dans la chambre de Martha. Putain, d'accord. Il y a les deux là. Oh désolé, j'utilise les indices un peu. Je l'ai pas fait jusqu'au bout de l'histoire. Il y a des indices qui me paraissent cryptiques quand même. Effectivement, les deux se sont rencontrés là.
Eddie, are you all right?
There's someone put a dead
C'est
body
lui le
in my
dernier à
room.
avoir vu le cadavre.
You can't be serious. The one from earlier?
No, this one was a girl. She looked about my age.
Oh my goodness, darling. That's horrible. Did you recognize her?
No, I have no idea who they were. I don't understand how they got there.
I can't believe it. Although, I mean, I certainly had my suspicions.
I found someone in the kitchen as well. They looked like they could have been a member of staff. Did you know them?
Who? I didn't think we had any staff working here today.
It must be the same thing then. After we'd moved it, I poured some hot cocoa and went back to my room. I was in there for a while. I don't know how I didn't spot it sooner.
You were distracted, darling. It's all right.
That's not the worst of it. I got into bed, and I didn't even notice that it was in there with me.
Oh, darling, that's horrible.
I'm going to go and call the police. I thought I'd come and let you know first.
Wait, darling. We don't want all our guests being taken in for questioning now, do we? Especially not if we can take care of this ourselves.
Oh, ça c'était l'erreur de l'année.
There are 3 dead bodies in the house.
Because someone's trying to scare us, Eddie. That's all it is. And besides, no one's been hurt. None of these people had anything to do with us. If we're discreet about this, then it gives us the best chance at sorting
What's
this
a film?
out ourselves.
And how do you suggest we do that? We have no idea who's doing this, or how it's happening.
Darling, I think I know who's behind all this. Have you seen much of your Uncle Oswald this evening?
I noticed he wasn't there during dinner. He's not really my uncle, is he?
No, of course not. You know, he came in here earlier threatening me. He seems to think that he deserves this house to himself, just because he used to live here.
I'll go and find him. I don't care if it's chucking it down outside. He's not staying here.
Darling, he's a dangerous man. If you confront him, I'm worried he might do something.
I have to do something, Mum.
Listen, I've heard that Tony keeps a gun in his bedside drawer. I'll go and get him out of his room, and then you can go in and take it. How does that sound?
Fine.
Putain.
I don't trust him with it anyway.
Exactly, darling. We'll confront Oswald on our own terms.
There's one more thing. I found my ring on the body, but I have no idea how it got there. I had it earlier, I'm sure, because Vic gave it to me, but I'm not sure how I could have lost it.
He must have stolen it while you weren't looking. I'm so sorry, darling. That must have been so upsetting to find.
It's like someone was taunting me. Maybe he thinks I'm not good enough for this house because I haven't found someone to marry yet.
Well, we know it's him at least. This will be over soon.
I'll go and wait in the billiard room. You're sure about this?
I'm certain.
Ah oui, donc c'était là, on savait qu'il allait dans la salle de billard. Parce que là, du coup... Elle, on sait pas où elle allait. Là, il y a toute l'embrouille. La chambre de Tony, elle allait aller. 11. Pour aller justement le distraire pour qu'il puisse aller récupérer l'arme. Et justement c'est pour ça qu'il va à la chambre de Tony. J'avais piffé le fait qu'il allait chez Tony pour aller se fumer, mais en fait pas du tout, il y avait un sens. Bon, au
Hello,
final
Tony.
il s'est pas fumé.
Can
Quoi.
I come in?
Sure.
Is everything all right with you and your mum?
We're fine. She was in here a moment ago.
I'm glad. It's
Ah
lovely
bah.
to have the two of you here.
On l'avait pas ça, je crois.
Well, I think everyone's downstairs in the living room. Would you like to join us?
No. But thank you.
Are you sure? Or can I tempt you with something from the kitchen?
I'm not hungry.
I see.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I really think you should come with me. It's not healthy to stay in your room for the whole time.
C'est vraiment chelou.
Is something wrong?
No, it's just I'm worried about you.
Martha, I'm sorry, but your house is full of strangers. You have bigger things to be worried about.
I know perfectly well what's going on.
Do you? Because, and I don't want to be rude, but I really think some of the others in this house are trying to get the better of you. And I know we've only just met, but it's not often that my mum gets a friend. So I owe you that at least.
It's nice of you to look out for me, Tony, but I don't need you to tell me who to trust.
You really think Mr. Hobbs isn't in on it? Because I can tell you for certain that he's lying about why he's here. He wouldn't come all this way unless he knew something.
He's a guest here, just like you are.
At least I have a connection. And I was talking to my mum in here, and then immediately after she left, Mr. Hobbs came in like he was looking for something. And I don't think he knows fully what's going on either, but he's certainly a part of all this.
Well, you
Apparemment,
haven't
on a un
been
lien avec
entirely
cette maison,
with
mais
me
le lien c'est
either, have
Rupert.
What?
Et Rupert est mort
you?
direct.
Tony, I know you have a gun.
Of course I have one. That doesn't mean...
I know, darling. But there are bad people in this house, and maybe we could do with someone like you to be on our side.
I'd rather stay out of it.
Elle
I'm
voulait
sorry,
carrément le
I just-
tuer. Hein.
I don't like what's happening.
En fait, elle voulait tuer Oswald.
I
Elle.
don't even know who to trust.
Are you worried about your mum?
A little bit.
I understand, darling. But if you ever need help with anything, or if you or your mum run into trouble with anyone here, then I'll be looking out for you.
Thanks, Martha.
Come here, darling. Give me a hug.
Oh.
You know, I really think that you...
That sounds like Mum.
Tony, no. Leave it.
Hmm? Et c'est pour ça, là, ici, à 9, c'était tous les deux. Justement dans sa chambre. On refait un petit peu les liens. Hein. On remet un peu tout dans l'ordre. On essaie de comprendre toutes les intrigues. Et 5h du mat. Un connard. Et il a chargé son arme. On sait qu'elle sera utile à la fin hein, pour
Tony, darling,
le
have
suicide
you
de
seen
Annie
your
Beaumont.
sister?
Mum, I'm a bit busy at the moment.
This is important, Tony. I think something's happened between her and Eddie. You wouldn't go and talk to her, would you?
I'm about to go and talk to her anyway. What do you mean?
You know how much this engagement means to the both of them. And I'm all too aware of how easy it is for young lovers to throw what they've got away before they've even started. It would be good to make sure she hasn't changed her mind about the whole thing, that's all.
Why can't you go and talk to her yourself?
We both know she wouldn't appreciate it. And you know her a lot better than I do, Tony.
Well, I'm surprised you're looking out for her. I hardly ever see the two of you talk, unless it's an argument.
Tony, I've always done what's right for the
Elle
both
cherche à
of
marier
you.
sa fille
Never forget the
à la
trouble I
famille
had to
Gallet.
go through to give each of you
Simplement.
a decent upbringing.
Tonnerre. C'est la mort de justement sa fille.
I appreciate it, Mum. I'm just a little busy at the moment, so unless you have something important to tell me...
You're not involved in this funny business with the strangers, are you, Tony? You know that pocket watch of mine has gone missing?
Maybe that's for the best. Why did you bring it here?
Perhaps I should have left it at home.
C'est peut-être elle d'ailleurs qui,
I don't
qui
feel
est mariée
safe in this
à
house.
Rupert.
It's not as if I know Martha that well. And now we're spending the night here with strangers. I can scarcely imagine what else is happening that we don't know about.
Oh, well, as long as it doesn't involve us, we'll stay out of it, all right? And if anyone comes up to you and starts acting funny, just shout, huh? And I'll come and help.
I hope that won't be necessary.
I know, but
2 scènes plus tard.
please be careful. I'll be in here if you need me.
There's no need to worry, darling. I know how to take care of myself.
Where did it go? How is that possible?
Attends, là on était à 7. Non, on était à 9. Donc c'est la mort de... Mais d'accord, c'est la mort de... Ouais, la chambre d'Eddie. Là on voit la chronologie, donc elle meurt là. Ici il est mentionné quelque chose. J'ai remarqué que tu avais enlevé le bracelet. Ouais, là... Histoire de faire les choses bien, est-ce qu'en 5, ils seraient pas au grenier les deux, là? Histoire de faire les choses dans l'ordre. Mais alors, si ça se trouve, ça va servir à rien, ça.
Anne, it's me. Open the door.
Oh, Tony, go away. You've caused enough trouble already.
I have something you're going to want to see.
Is that expensive?
C'est la montre à gousset.
Where did you get that?
Listen, something fishy's going on. Haven't quite figured it out yet.
Did you steal it?
No. Well, yes. Look, some stranger just turned up. No one knows who he is. And apparently he's looking for someone called Rupert Galley.
Oh, some old man. I think he came in after you left.
What? Oh, you're probably thinking of Oswald. Funny moustache.
Yeah, that's him.
Yeah, he's not important. Everyone else was there in the living room, and no one claimed to know who Rupert Galley was.
Oh? Strange.
Exactly. Except, I'd seen the name once before. On a
C'est là
small
qu'on savait
box
en
that my
avance
mum
que
keeps
son
in
nom
her room.
c'était Rupert.
She showed it to me just before I came up and met you, but I didn't think anything of it.
Allô? Oui.
So you stole your mum's pocket watch?
Yes. The stranger must be looking for it, and I don't want my mum to be caught up in this if things go wrong.
Why would things go wrong? Have you spoken to your mum about this?
I don't want to tell her. If someone's looking for it, then I'll keep it hidden until we leave. She doesn't need to know.
It must be valuable. Why are you telling me this?
I don't really know anyone else here.
Oh, Tony, you're going too far. Give me the pocket watch and I'll give it back to your mum.
Are you mad? There's no way I'm giving this to you.
Give it to me or I'll go tell her you stole it.
Anne, what the hell? I thought I could trust you.
We don't know each other. You don't know how much I need this.
I need to go. Don't tell my mum, Anne, or you'll regret it.
Tony, wait!
Ok. C'était ça le fameux moment où elle savait que c'était Tony. Ah, et du coup... Parce que là, on a déjà tout ici, sauf d'ailleurs Oswald. Ah bah oui, c'est ça qu'elle me dit. Oswald, à mon avis, il arrive dans le jardin en 2. Il arrive dans le chemin là. D'ailleurs, le chemin il a jamais été utilisé donc. Non, c'est pas ça, putain. À mon avis, elle arrive dans le chemin. Je sais pas qu'est-ce qu'on va pouvoir faire de tout ça là. Pas du tout. Parce qu'elle dit quoi exactement? Il est rentré après ton départ. Ah oui. Ah oui, donc... Ah oui, il est entré après ton départ au grenier. Je vais prendre un indice. On dirait que tout le monde se souvient de quelque chose avant de mourir, sauf John Hobbs. Et c'est Catherine. Mais non, mais ça, je l'ai compris. Je l'ai rajouté. Que se passe-t-il si j'étalonnais la machine avec un K au lieu d'un nombre? Ah, mais vraiment? Il y a deux personnes E. Attends. Ouais. Mais on sait c'est qui K. Catherine Beaumont. C'est elle. Là c'est une malheureuse Ellie. Si je mets R là. R, on sait qu'il était dans le bureau. Hein. Est-ce que ça marche ça? Et à 0. En fait, ce que je comprends pas, c'est que oui, ok, d'accord, je l'aurais jamais trouvé le cas. C'est déjà qu'il pourrait y avoir une scène cachée, quel est le schéma des morts que j'ai observé jusqu'à présent. Bah c'était... Ah c'est elle qui est morte en premier. En fait c'est chiant. Oui, alors attendez. La page 3 mentionne P1, la personne 1. Je comprends. Oui. Mais ça, j'ai compris, ça. C'est tout. En fait, le truc, c'est que oui, il y a un personnage K. Non, merde, je suis con. Il y a un K. C'est Catherine Beaumont, on est d'accord. Étrange, il n'y a pas eu de coup de tonnerre dans 26 EN. Hein? Y a-t-il d'autres coups de tonnerre que j'ai ratés? Premier coup de tonnerre, il arrive là. Puis là. Là, il y en a un de coup de tonnerre, là, en 9. Coup de tonnerre. En 10, il y en a un autre. Moi, ça bat violemment sur la table. Le piano commence à jouer dans l'autre pièce. Non, ça c'est le piano. En 11. On entend un cri très fort. En 12. Coup de tonnerre, quelqu'un tombe au sol. Là, je vais te capter que c'est là, en fait, que Micheline, elle meurt. Il y a un coup de tonnerre en 13. Le coup de tonnerre en 13. C'est le cadavre. En 15, un coup de feu. Il n'y a pas de coup de tonnerre. En 16. D'ailleurs là en 16 j'ai pas... Non. 17. Tonnerre. 18 là il y en a un. Il y a un coup de tonnerre. Ça c'est la mort de Vic. Bah en fait si le coup de tonnerre il est là. Le tonnerre gronde au loin. Tonnerre lointain, position d'un proche. Ah c'est peut-être le dernier lieu. Ouah. Mais elle habite où déjà? C'est où elle voulait habiter elle? Winter. Winter is coming. Et à la scène. Et si, j'ai trouvé une scène. À Wintercote. Ouais. Bah La Wintercote, c'était une zone. La cuisinière est tournée. C'est de téléphoner. Là, elle meurt. Ça se brise. Pas fini. Je m'éloigne. Ça va encore bugger.
What the hell?
Un cadavre. La mort, code temporel 31, utiliser ma carte avec la machine, faut continuer, désolé Raya. Qui est ce connard? Lawrence Dunn. Comment ça? Les bâtards. Hein? Comment ça, mon ref? Code temporel 31. Hein? « 31 » I don't know. Ma mort. À sa mort. Utilisez ma carte avec la machine. Il y a un indice sur la carte. ID 67. Je suis à l'entrée. Je viens de rentrer à l'instant. Ah, à l'instant. Il y a 7 heures. Pas du tout. Vous êtes dans le séjour. Ah oui, non, je suis dans le séjour. Tu es où là? Il y a la cheminée pourtant. Aucune scène n'a été trouvée. Il faut continuer. Le jeu de zinzin qui prend une tournure inconnue. Il prend une tournure spéciale. YouTube. On va s'arrêter là. Hein. En tout cas pour votre VOD. On a vu ce qui s'est passé à Madame K. Maintenant, c'est la suite, on a trouvé un cadavre. Des bisous.